Hi, Christine Tony with Lilla Rose. Today I want to talk to you about our hair sticks. And I've seen hair sticks used, even pencils used in movies, and always thought, how do they do that? Well, I've come to find out through Lilla Rose, because they have plenty to choose from, that it's really about as easy as they make it look. I just didn't know how. So today I want to show you 6 simple styles you can do with hair sticks. And just to give you an idea of some of the different sticks that we carry, from every style you can imagine, from kind of casual to very blingy. We've even got some dangles. This one's no longer available, but different variety. This one's one of my favorites as a backpacker and hiker. It's called Karen. We have some beautiful natural stones. We've got some with painted glass, which is one of the ones I'll be showing. This one that kind of looks like Brighton jewelry. We have Diamantina with the copper. Really, really beautiful sticks, quite the variety. We also just came out with some more natural looking sticks without any embellishment, but some pretty fun designs. So those come in different color woods, different styles. And our sticks can be paired with our leather 8s or the braided 8s. They come in a variety of sizes and styles. We'll do that on a different video. But today I just want to show you some 6 quick, easy styles with our hair sticks. So I'm going to start with the Diamantina. Now, I kept my hair up in a bun because I wanted it to stay wet, because sometimes when you're learning, it's easier to start with damp hair. So I'm going to take that hair down, which is still wet and pretty damp. Okay, so that's where I'm starting. And the first style I'm going to show you, I'm going to set that there for reference. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do a bun. And it is just as simple as that. You're just going to make sure I'm in my spot, twist your hair into a bun, just a quick easy bun. Then you're going to take your stick, you're going to come into the edge of that bun, go down, grab some hair from underneath the bun, from just underneath of that hair against the scalp, and then come back up through and catch, you want to catch that bun, just the edge of it again, okay? So there's a bun. You can add in, let's see, you could add in a second one for embellishment, or you could try and grab some more hair for extra security. So that's a bun. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is a French twist, and I do what I call a cheat French twist, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair, hook it over my thumb, and I'm going to twist it up, and it pulls this hair up into the twist. When I get to the top, kind of tuck that in, smooth that in, like so. And this time, let's see, this time I'm going to use the calla lily stick. And again, I'm going to grab the edge of that twist. I'm going to grab some hair from the outside. I'm going to flip it over and bring it back through. And again, if I wanted a second, I don't know that this would match, but the second one, I can do extra security and put in 2 sticks. Now with the bun, you can put them in the same direction. You can crisscross them either way. With the twist, you probably want to go in from the same side. All right, so there's the French twist. Now, this next one I'm going to do is called the Lotus Bun, and I learned this from John Dorsey, our owner and the designer of our flexi clips and patent holder. And this one, you're going to do a bun, and you're going to take that top donut when you get your bun wrapped, and you're going to flip it up. So hopefully you can follow this. So I'm going to start with it just in a ponytail. I'm going to do a bun. Again, it's going to be a pretty smooth bun. There's my first roll. Let's see if I can get this to work. My hair is just barely long enough to do this. You're going to take that top roll and you're going to flip it up. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of feel for that hole, that upper donut, and I'm going to take it in through that hole, find the bottom hole, and come out of that. Okay? Now, he coined that the Lotus Bun, but it's really a beautiful, different look for a twist. It looks like you spent a lot of time and it was very complicated to get that twist. It's just a simple bun where you pull up the top loop, or the top donut, so to speak, and then come in through the holes, do that kind of that 8 shape. You go in the top hole and come out the bottom. So my hair is just long enough to do that. So if you have longer hair, you could probably get a prettier shape out of that. Holds really, really well. The next one is what I'm gonna call a half twist up. I'll try this one for this one. Now, if I just want to pull half my hair up, okay, so I'm going to separate it out underneath. So I'm gathering my hair, okay. Remove my spot. Okay, now I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to wrap it around the pin, and then I'm just going to circle it up and down, and then hold that over. And that holds a very, kind of like just a twist, very secure half up. And my hair is not real thick, but that'll hold really well. It's kind of like almost like a ponytail, but with a roll, okay? So I call that the half twist. Now you can do the same thing. I'll try it with the blue one this time, which is no longer available. Some of these special ones that you might see here, you can get by being a hostess from past Flexies of the Month, because sometimes they'll come up with a stick of the month. They're only available for a short period of time. But if you're a hostess and you want to have a party and host, or host a boutique, they could be yours. All right, so I'm going to do the same thing, but this time with all of my hair. I'm going to start with not a real low pony, but a higher pony. Do the same thing. I'm going to take the hair, wrap the stick around, and go back down through. Okay? None of those were hard. Very easy. I am not a hair person. Since I found Lilla Rose, I've been able to do so many things with my hair that I never thought I would be able to do. And you can too. You just need to try. All right, this next one is a little trickier, but still very doable. If I can do it, you can do it. So this one is going to be a ponytail. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start kind of a high pony. You're going to section out a little bit of hair from underneath your hair. You're going to pull that out, and then you're going to wrap that around your hair to make your ponytail. And the hair that you wrap around, you need to do it kind of securely, becomes your band. Okay, so you have that band of hair. You see that there. Now, with this one, it's going to want to rotate on you a little bit, so you want to start a little higher up than you intend. If you want it to go straight across, it's going to end up kind of like that. So I'm going to start with it kind of high up. I'm going to go into that band just a little bit, go out. Again, I'm grabbing some hair from underneath, outside of that ponytail, and then I'm going, whoops, let's see if that'll still work since I lost a little bit of grip. Grab some hair from underneath and come back up through that band. Okay, so there, a stick holding a ponytail. And when you use it this way, you don't have that hair because you're not using an elastic that's pulling on your scalp. It's all just using that hair that's wrapped around your own hair to hold it in place, so it's not pulling on your scalp. So again, there's the hair stick, and if you've got some ends up, you might need to pull that down or secure that. This one took me a little bit to figure out, but again, if you do it with damp hair, you'll have an easier time when you're first starting out with these styles. It's just a little more forgiving and holds a little better. Once you get the hang of it though, you can do it with dry hair and it'll be great. So if you have any questions, please sure and let me know. Give the video a like if it helped you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That'd be great. If you don't already have a Lilla Rose stylist, be sure and contact me. I'd love to help you out. But have a great day, and I hope you'll try out the Lilla Rose Hair Sticks. Thanks. Bye.